This washroom is about 5 feet deep and about 9 feet wide. There is 4 things to do. The first one is to lower this elbow down under the floor, either through this beam or under through the box that is covering the rest of this construction in the kitchen, which I will cover the extension with drywall if we can't go through this beam. The second thing to do is to connect this shower pan right here and either use this existing drain or put a new drain because the new elbow will be under. The third thing to do is to replace the wall mounted toilet drain and create a drain for a floor toilet as it was originally between this line here and this one here, somewhere about here. And the fourth thing to do is to redo the drain through the wall for the vanity that I have in my garage. Maybe other things would be to connect the water feeds for the shower that would be on this wall, and these for the toilet and the vanity.